Right by here. Now that, where you put that nail back in there, Luke?
Yeah.
That ain't gonna work.
It's gotta be on the bottom.
It's gotta be on the bottom.
Okay.
That's an actuator.
There's a
Looks
big
like it's
bee on
broke.
it. Watch it. There's a wasp on the other end.
There's the bee's nest on it.
Let's put that
Hang on, I got it.
put the shaft on it.
Hang on. Hang on, bud. Are you ready?
Yeah.
All right, here we go.
Okay.
Over. I guess we'll go get that gravel, that ballast back. Yeah, get it over far enough that we can get our ballast back. All right. All right, here. Show me how to do this, okay? And I'll... Let's kind of guide it so it doesn't swing. You get at the end. Don't sit there, Luke. Get out
Well,
at
I'm
the
just
end.
making sure this thing kind of.
It's locked in there.
Okay.
Okay. Slide it over. Okay. Turn it around.
Okay.
You can. We can.
Talk to each other. Who wants to turn? Raise it up with just a spin.
No, I think
Up
you got
or up.
Well,
Yes, the voice.
oh,
yeah.
Okay, now we slide it back.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Okay. Now
Okay.
slide it. Hold it. Close to where you get. We want to make this in right.
Okay.
We need to take some of these ties out over here, don't we?
I think we got to do the same over here too. Well.
Let me take a couple of ties out. Okay. All right. That'll be easier if I get it set down so it's.
Trying to set it down.
But
It
won't go down. We got to slide it under these rails. And do that sideways.
Does this need to go back on there, Dennis?
All right. Huh? Oh, that needs to go back on. Do you want to? It needs to go your way a little bit more. Yeah, but look, come over here, would you, and check this out? Oh yeah, go ahead. I need to take these two out. Yeah, take those ties out. All right.
Where did it?
Right over here by the bucket. Here.
Oh, you got one over there? Oh, okay. Here.
Take these screws.
It shouldn't. Yeah.
What?
He said it shouldn't.
Watch that end. Guide her. Put your hands on it.
That's good. All right, now. Hey.
I think we got it.
It's at the end.
Yeah.
Can you set it down? Oh, wait, back up. We gotta back up. We're gonna have to cut this. Well, not necessarily. We want to do this end. Get this end in, and then we'll adjust that in. That end.
Okay.
Okay, we're going to have to come back a 1/4 inch in order to clear. Well, let's get this lined up and see how much we can come back. All right. Well, it's here that we got to cut it.
Yeah, well, what do we do here?
I don't know. Which way do you want to do it? What? We'll slide it down here and we'll cut that aluminum rail. Okay. And then we'll cut that off there. Give me a screw so I can make a scribe mark here. No, you scribe the aluminum. We don't cut the switch. Okay. You don't need to scribe it. We just... Oh. Just cut it? My saws out.